Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here again at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I just got in a brand new 2021 ATC Game Changer Pro Edition. So this is the game changer of the toy haulers. If you're looking for something that will not deteriorate, because there's nothing that will deteriorate in the build of this structure. It's all aluminum, all solid surface products, so you don't have things that are going to delaminate, dry rot, just incredibly built for the long term and ready to put a lot of miles on them the way it's set up with the torque flex axles, so independent suspension, bigger generator. This got a 7,000 watt generator, 200 gallons of fresh water, all the goodies to either dry camp or be parked in a park. However you want to use it, it's ready to go, and it's incredibly built from the ground up. You have to see it. Okay, so here we are inside this new 3619 ATC fifth wheel toy hauler. It's incredible. It's got all aluminum cabinets, adjustable shelving, fold away, easy glide up dinette table, folding chairs at the dinette, dimmer switches on your ceiling light, inverter, large TV, residential, refrigerator, microwave convection, stereo system, solid surface countertops, nice shower, nice bed, storage underneath the bed, storage in the bedroom with the bunk bed above that's adjustable on the power with the patio ramp kit and cable kit, along with the screen wall and the fencing. Extruded aluminum floors with the airline tracking system on the walls, so the table and couches all move to wherever you want to put it within the unit. Airline track recessed in the floor, no ductwork in the floor, so there's no holes for the dirt to trap into. Very large capacities, lots of storage. This can be used for all kinds of ideas, whether you're taking the quads, motorcycles, canoes, kayaks, or just maybe you're an entrepreneur that's out wanting to travel and use this as an office on the road. Ideas are endless in this model, and it's almost indestructible. It's a very well built unit. You got to see it. You know, if you're looking for, I only want to buy one RV to last a lifetime, this is as close as it's going to get, and you should see the difference when you compare this construction compared to something else. Anyways, you can tell I'm thoroughly excited about it. I love the product, and it's a fantastic product. Anyways, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Have any questions on the ATC product or any fifth wheel that we may carry in stock, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay at Guaranty RV, 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.